In this video, I'll show you how to check your recently watched Reels on Instagram. So if you watched a Reel earlier and now you can't find it again, Instagram actually keeps a watch history that you can access directly from the app. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, head over to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Your Activity. Inside the Activity section, scroll down until you find Watch History, then tap on it. You should now be able to see Reels and videos that you've recently watched on Instagram. This makes it much easier to find a Reel you forgot to save, like, or send to someone. At the top of the screen, you may also see filter options that can help you sort your watch history and quickly find the exact Reel you're looking for. Now, if you want to remove something from your watch history, Instagram also gives you the option to do that. Simply tap Select in the top right corner. Next, choose the Reels or videos you want to delete from your history. After selecting them, tap Remove at the bottom of the screen. Then confirm by tapping Remove again. And that's it. Those Reels will now be removed from your Instagram watch history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.